Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Welcome to a Tahiti Dance Fitness class. For my newbies, make sure to subscribe. So first, check your posture. Have your knees bent at all times, feet together like this, and a back straight. Keep your pelvis in a neutral position at all times like this. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's step is the ami. Bend your knees and we're going to make a big circular motion with our hips. Make a big circle. Your knees are unlocked and they follow your hips motions. We're gonna go the other side. Make a circle on the other side. Round and big. Push front and back. And relax, okay? So show me again. Keep your back straight. Hold your shoulders. Circle, big circle, front and back. Very good. Reverse. Don't move your shoulders. You're doing great. Awesome. So on the side, it's gonna look like this. Over here, you see I push front and back to make sure the circle is big and round. Alright, so let's practice one more time. Ready? Show me your posture and circle with your hips. Move your knees. Relax. Reverse. Very good. You're doing great. Reverse again. Make a circle. Reverse one last time. Big and round. Don't move your shoulders. There you go. Let's practice with the music. Ready? Show me your posture. Over here, hands on the hips. Keep your back straight at all time and bend your knees. Ready? Roll to the right. There you go. Big circle to the right. You can close those hands to the front. Keep going. Reverse. Round and big. Push front and back. Very good. Few more. And relax. So again, show me. Bend your knees. Right side. Go as big as you can. Awesome. Few more. Very good. Reverse. To the left. Keep going. You're doing great. Keep your upper body still. And relax. Very good. I'm super proud of you and I hope you are too. Tell me how it was for you in the comments and come and join me for more classes. You have the links below, tahitidancefitness.com. Stay your amazing self always and see you soon.